This video is about my room in Fullerton Hotel. I'd like to give you a tour of the Fullerton Hotel room that I booked with this trip that I had with my daughter here in Singapore. So here is our room. We go in, we got this massive wardrobe and then the massive mirror as well that serve as a door towards the bathroom. Then you have the TV. Then this is our bed. It's quite nice actually. It's not really a presidential suite, but you can see the quality of the room. You got your mini bar there, all in an enclosed panel wood. Then you got your bar snacks and your tea, coffee, tea, and even your wine glass with a wine opener and a kettle, of course. So we have two separate beds, and we are overlooking here on the window view is this, the hotel lobby. You gotta remember, this is like an old building, old post office building of Singapore that's been turned into a hotel. So it's got those old building, classical view. Now I'm gonna go and show you the bathroom. You got this very elegant table to do all your business work, laptop, computer, internet. And I'm gonna show you, this is the paneling, and that's the door, and this is the massive back. Oh my god, with the biggest mirror I've seen on a bath. Then you got a shower, and the toilet is separate building. There you go, there's a nice one, and all the marble paneling. And this is the toilet, separate. While it opens when you come in, like what they got in Japan. But look at all the finishing, you know. I like building work, I like all the finished things, and that is so nice. The bathroom, the shower is just enclosed there. You even got a seat in the shower and a big bath. This is what you get. This is just a simple room here in Fullerton. Some of my fans, especially the women, you have to just understand what they want to know. What is here as free? They have the Balmain soap, and you got this Balmain Paris body lotion, and they got this box here. I know most of the men don't care about this, but you know, I got some requests about this from my women subscribers, so just bear with us. These are the shower cup, vanity kit, shaving kit, dental kit. There's two, of course, because we are two people staying here. And you have the comb and the sanitary bag. So that comes here free with your stay. So now I buggered that all up, but anyway, we'll be using that later. So that's what here comes as free. So there's a 3-door panel wardrobe here, and the last one is the ironing board. See how posh it is there, and then all the humidifiers and the emergency flashlight, and the rest are just where you hang your wardrobe, and it comes with the bathrobe that is for free. I like the business desk that comes with your room, and the little desk with it. So the bathtub with the towels underneath And then if you notice in the shower, there are big tubs of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right in the shower cubicle. So this is what you get when you stay in Fullerton Hotel Singapore.